What are you doing? You drawing some pictures? What color is that? Purple?
Purple, red,
Yeah. What other color you got?
blue,
Oh, that's blue. Nice. Whoa, what are you drawing?
car,
You drew a car? Where's your car?
car,
I see a rainbow. Where's the rainbow?
this is
That's a rainbow? Where's the car?
car,
Whoa, it looks like a mess here.
this is car,
There it is. You can kind of see a car there. Where's the tree?
three,
Is there a tree? And our butterfly?
five,
Where is it?
this is five, the five,
Oh, there's the butterfly. That's nice. You're making a big painting. What else you gonna draw?
green,
You gonna draw some green? Okay, get your green. That's not green, that's purple.
turtle,
Yeah, where's your green?
green,
That's purple. You got blue and purple. Where's green?
black,
That's brown.
brown,
That's brown, but where's green?
here,
That's yellow.
yellow, yellow,
Right. Where's red?
red,
Can you get the red?
red, two,
That's red. Whoa, you make it a rainbow? Pretty cool. Where's the green one?
fish,
Huh?
fish,
Fish. You gonna draw a fish?
this is fish,
Oh, there's a fish too. Right. Good job.
Dada, fox,
There's a truck there?
Dada,
Uh-huh. Okay.
Dada,
That's Dada's truck?
Mama,
And Mama's truck? Car?
Mama,
Huh. Where'd you go? That's it. See you later. Say bye-bye.
baby.
Yes, you are. See ya.